How to add the same song on multiple Insta stories. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add the same song on multiple Insta stories. So let's get started. First, open up your Insta. Tap on add story and select multiple pictures. So I'll just select multiple pictures here. Now tap on next. Now here, select a song. After you select a song for the first one, just tap on the music option on the top right and add the same song for the second picture as well. You do that, you can do the same for the third as well. And after you do so, all of these music will get synced, and the second one, where the first one ends, the second one will pick it up from there, and the same will happen for the third one as well. And that is basically how you add on the same song for multiple stories on your Instagram stories. So yeah, that is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. And